Hi, welcome back to MATLAB. In today's lesson, we are going to see different methods to solve exponential equations. But before that, hit the subscribe button in the video corner for more challenging exercises. The exponential equation is the equation in which the unknown value is the exponent. So we have first case 3 at the power of 2x equals 9. How we are going to solve this equation? I observe that 3 at the power of 2x equals with 3 to the power of 2. I can rewrite 9. So I have the base equals, results that also the exponents are equals. So in this case, x equals 1. The second example is 7 at the power of x power 2 plus 1 equals with 49. In here, I'm going to rewrite 49 as 7 to the power of 2. Results that x at the power of 2 plus 1 equals with 2. So in this case, x at the power of 2 equals 1. In here, I have two solutions. X equals 1, x equals minus 1. The third case, 4 at the power of x minus 3 multiplied with 2 at the power of x plus 2 equals with 0. In here, I am going to rewrite 4 at the power of x as 2 at the power of 2, everything at the power of x, equals with 2 at the power of x, everything at the power of 2. So I come back to my initial equation and I replace 4 at the power of x with 2 at the power of x, everything at the power of 2, minus 3 multiplied with 2 at the power of x plus 2 equals 0. So in this case, I'm going to rewrite 2 at the power of x with y, and the results a second degree equation. When I'm replacing 2 at the power of x, in here I have two solutions. y1 equals with 1 and y2 equals with 2. Now I'm going in my initial equation and I replace y1 and result 2 at the power of x equals 1. So in this case, x equals 0. And 2 at the power of x equals 2. In this case, x equals 1. This is one of the methods. Let's take another exercise. 1 over 2, everything at the power of 4x minus 9 equals to 32 at the power of x. In here, I'm going to write 1 over 2 as 2 at the power of minus 1, everything at the power of 4x minus 9 equals with 32 means 2 at the power of 5, everything at the power of x. Results that 2 at the power of 9 minus 4x equals with 2 at the power of 5x. Since the base is equals, also the exponents are equals. So in this case, x equals with 1. That's it for today. If you understood this exercise, hit the subscribe button and come back tomorrow for more practice math problems. Thank you.